亲爱的同学们，我是小丫老师。你知道如何保护好自己的视力吗？今天老师给大家分享一篇这样的文章 How to keep good eyesight. In recent years, we have to face a problem that many students have poor eyesight, which is becoming more and more serious. As we all know, it is important for everyone to keep good eyesight.We should take a series of effective measures to cope with the problem. For one thing, don't keep your eyes working for a long time. You'd better have a rest after you have studied for an hour or so. For another, take good care of your eyes. Don't read in the sun or in very poor light. Don't read in bed or on a moving bus. Finally,Do eye exercise every day. It will also help you keep good eyesight. 宝贝们，你们知道如何保护好自己的视力了吗？喜欢小丫老师，双击加关注，每天一起学英语。